This is the exercise number 12.2. First problem is find the area of the sector of a circle with the radius 6 centimeters. Now this is the circle. Sector's area we have to find out. Minor sector area. This is called minor sector. This is the minor sector. This area we have to find out. Radius is given. Radius is 6 centimeters. Here 6 centimeters. Okay, R is equal to 6 centimeters. Now area of sector, formula is there. Area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degrees. Now here angle is given. Angle is here 60 degrees. Here this is 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So area of minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, pi 22 upon 7 we have to take. R is equal to 6 into 6. Theta is 60 degrees, 360. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. 6, 6 are 36, 6, 6 cancel. Okay, now what is left over? 22 into 7. 132 upon 7 centimeter square is the area of the minor sector. Okay, now if you take the second problem, find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Now this is the circle. If you take this as, it can be divided into 4 parts. Okay, each part which I am highlighting with the red pen is called quadrant. This is quadrant and this is the quadrant. Okay, now this quadrant area we have to find out. Now if you forget everything, if I rub here, this quadrant area we have to find out. This quadrant area we have to find out. That means it is a sector formed here. Minor sector. Here angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, now circumference of whose circumference is given. Circle ka circumference is given. Circumference is 22 centimeters. That means 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeters. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22. So 22 will be cancelled here. R is equal to, if it goes to that side, 7 upon 2 centimeters. तो now radius हो गया आपका, ये radius है 7 upon 2 centimeters. Okay, here angle is 90 degrees. Now it is a sort of minor sector. So area of sector or here quadrant same है. Area of quadrant, when it is divided into 4 equal parts, a circle, then each part is called quadrant. This quadrant is nothing but a minor sector. Quadrant is equal to, same formula we have to use. Pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, 22 upon 7, 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2. Theta is 90 degrees, 360. 0 and 0 cancel. 7, 7 cancel. 2, 11s. Okay, 9 4s are 36. So 11 into 7 upon 4 into 2. 88 upon 77 upon 7 77/8 centimeter square. Okay, therefore area of quadrant is 77/8 centimeter square. Then third one is the length of the minute hand. Now this is the clock. Okay, minute hand, length of the minute hand clock is 14 centimeters. This is 40. That means length of the minute hand, nothing but it will be making the radius of the circle, 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes means supposing it is at 4. To come to 5, it will be taking like this. It will be leaving this 4. Let us take, after 4 it is at 4. After 5 minutes it will be coming to the 5. So 5 I am excuse me, highlighting with the green pen. So it has moved from here to this point to this point. That means area swept. A sector is formed here. Like this, a sector is formed. Okay, in 5 minutes. So we have to find out this area. This area we have to find out how much area it has swept. It has moved. Okay, so this is the clock. If from here 4 to again 4, if a minute clock clock moves, minute hand moves, then it will be covering 360 degree. अगर यहाँ से छोड़ के फिर पूरा यहाँ तक आने के लिए सर्कल बनाएगी. सर्कल मीन्स टोटल एरिया कितने 60 डिग्रीज घूमेगी, 360 डिग्रीज घूमेगी. ओके, यहाँ से चालू होके फिर यहाँ आने के लिए एंगल मेड इज 360 डिग्रीज. ओके, दैट मीन्स 1 hour. If it is starting from 4, again to come till it comes to the 4, 1 hour. ओके, 4 से स्टार्ट हुई मिनट हैंड, फिर 4 के ऊपर आने के लिए उसको कितने टाइम लगेगी, 1 hour में. सो इन 1 hour how much angle is it will be taking, 360 degrees. 1 hour in the sense 60 minutes में it is covering 360 degrees. 4 से छोड़ के फिर 4 का आने के लिए टोटल घूम रही है. तो कितनी डिग्रीज घूम रही है, 360 डिग्रीज घूम रही है. ओके, अगर 60 मिनट्स में 360 डिग्रीज घूम रही तो 5 मिनट्स में कितने घूमेगी, बिकॉज वी नीड दिस एंगल हियर. थीटा चाहिए हमको, ये थीटा चाहिए. वो थीटा कैसे आएगी, फ्रॉम दिस वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट. 60 मिनट्स में टोटल इट विल बी मूविंग 360 डिग्रीज. सो इन 5 मिनट्स only it moved for 5 minutes, how much angle it will be making. So 360 into 5 upon cross multiplication, 60. 6 6 30. That means to move from 4 to 5. Example, I have taken 4 to 5. Otherwise you may take 6 to 7 also. Only 5 minutes it has moved. So certain sector area is sector is formed here. That sector's area, how much it is moved, that we have to find out. यहाँ से एरिया स्वेप्ट किए हैं, ए एरिया को हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो दैट मीन्स in 5 minutes it will be making 30 degrees. Now already you know 14 centimeters is the radius. Nothing but we have to find out the area of minor sector. So area of minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degrees. So what is pi? 22 upon 7. R is 14 into 14. Theta 30 and 360. 0 0 cancel. 3 12s are 7 2s are 2 6 are. Okay, 2 3s are 2 7s are. What is left? 22 into 7 upon 3. So 154 upon 3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So कुछ नहीं, आपको क्या कैसे एंगल फाइंड आउट करेंगे? अगर टोटल एंगल एट द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल इज 360 डिग्रीज. सो अगर एक मिनट हैंड एक में स्टार्ट होके एक नंबर पे स्टार्ट होके वही टाइम पे आने के लिए 1 आवर लेगी. तो 1 आवर मतलब 60 मिनट्स में वो घूमेगी 360 डिग्रीज. अगर 10 मिनट्स में पूछे तो आपको 4 से जाएगी वो 6 तक जाएगी. बिकॉज 360 डिग्रीज के लिए वो 60 मिनट्स में 360 डिग्रीज घूम रहे. तो 10 मिनट्स में कितना घूमेगी आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ऐसे 15 मिनट्स. मगर यहाँ इन दिस प्रॉब्लम इट इज़ गिवन दैट 5 मिनट्स. इफ इट इज़ मूविंग 5 मिनट्स, how much area it will be swept? This you have to find out. Therefore, area swept in 5 minutes is equal to 154 upon 3 centimeter square.